If you're watching this video, then you're here to see the behind the scenes look at the Roadmap 2.0 before you buy it. But before we dive in, I'd like to address the most frequently asked question that I get. Yes, the course is $497, but you could also do 4 monthly installments of $125. If you do that, you could still resell the course. The answer is yes, and I'll elaborate at the end as to how when we get to that module in this video. So here we go. When you first log in, you'll see your library. Well, you'll find the community, the actual course, and the Spanish community. Let's click into the Roadmap 2.0 course. Next, you'll see all the videos laid out Netflix style. But let's look at the outline so we can focus on the topics. First, you'll see how you can get your personal sales link, access the community, access the videos you've marked as your favorite, and onto the actual course material. The first 2 modules will introduce you to the course and how to really capitalize on everything offered. You'll learn how to navigate the course and how to sell it. And this is where the price comes in. You could either sell access to the course, where your customers will be added to the original Roadmap community of, 30,000 now? Or you can download all the files and form your own community. If you pay $497, you could choose either one of these. But if you pay monthly, you can only sell access to the original course and community and cannot download any files until you've paid for 4 months. But honestly, you don't need to do that in my opinion. When I sell it, I give my customers access to the original community, and I find that much more valuable. The next 4 modules cover a foundation in digital marketing. Module 1 will introduce you to the digital marketing world. Module 2 will teach you the fundamentals of forming a business. Module 3 will bring you through the ideation phase of building your business and cover things like brainstorming, business ideas, researching the market and your potential margins, analyzing the investment needed for your business, and more that you can see here. And in Module 4, you'll learn how to bring your business to life and really nail down what it is you're offering, how you're offering it, and actually bringing it into the world. Next comes the meat of the course. Let's go through it. Module 5 is branding, or rather, fun stuff. Not only is it extremely in-depth in teaching you how to build a branding plan that you didn't even know you needed, but you really get to dive into how to express yourself in your business with things like colors, logos, names, your voice, how to identify your ideal customer, things like that. Module 6 covers business automation. And we'll get into this in a couple modules, but basically, there are a lot of different platforms that you can use to grow your business and actually build your business on. So in this module, we'll go over some of those different platforms so you can decide which one might be best for you and your business. Module 7 is great. This is where you'll find guidance on making sure you are operating an online business that is compliant, but also that protects you as the business owner. Now next, this is where things can get sort of confusing. Whether you are reselling the Roadmap or your own course, the Roadmap 2.0 teaches you 4 different methods to set up your entire system, and they literally walk you through every click. You can choose StanStore, a custom System.io setup, a pre-built System.io setup, or a combination of different platforms. Next, in Module 12, you'll learn how to test your funnel, or your sales flow, the actions that your prospect or leads take to become a customer. You'll learn how to test everything to make sure it all works before pushing it live. And this is my personal opinion, but the next modules are the most valuable. These are the high income skill sets. In Module 13, you'll master email marketing and stand on the shoulders of email giants who came before you. This module will make sure that when people see your email, they're more likely to buy from you than to mark it as spam. In Modules 14 and 15, you'll learn how to apply these strategies to StanStore and System.io. In Module 16, you'll learn about blogging, which is low-key the most powerful form of marketing to this day. It's an OG and often forgot about, but don't sleep on blogging because it pairs so well with the other powerhouse, Pinterest, which we'll see in a bit. So you'll learn how to set up your blog, optimize it to bring in traffic, how to make it stand out on Google, and how to actually just be a good blogger. Next is Module 17, online marketing. This one is jam-packed with everything you need to know about online marketing short of paid ads. You'll identify which type of content is best for your business, who your perfect ideal customer is, which is the most important lesson, to be honest. You'll learn how to stand out online and how to be 10 steps ahead of your competition that hasn't taken this course. Honestly, I feel like the content calendar alone has removed all stress from creating content and has made me feel constantly ahead of so many opportunities I have to grow my business. In Module 18, you'll learn how to acquire the internet's superpowers to help you with your content. You'll learn how to use AI, ChatGPT, how to find topics to talk or post about, how to automate a ton of busy work, and help you focus on what's important, running and growing your business. Next, you'll get a really powerful lesson on navigating business challenges, the importance of customer service, and how it doesn't have to cost you. In fact, in this lesson, you'll learn how to leverage your great customer service skills to actually grow your business And then in Module 21, you'll learn how to keep it up. Then we have another fun part. Modules 22 through 27 are all about content creation. You'll get a click-by-click look at everything from opening your first TikTok account to posting to mastering the posting strategies of Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, using Canva and CapCut. These modules seriously remove all of the guesswork when it comes to creating content if you're new to recording yourself or getting your thoughts out on a blog. And lastly, you'll learn how to create and manage a course and community using Kajabi, just like they did to host the roadmap. As you can see, the Roadmap 2.0 has everything from A to Z on creating, growing, marketing, and thriving in your online business. If you'd like to buy the course and finally take your first step to becoming financially free, click the link below to get started. If you're not quite ready, I'd be happy to stay around to answer some of the most common questions I get. First, can I sell the roadmap if I purchase the monthly plan? Yes, you can resell it after making your first $125 payment, just like I did. Does the course teach affiliate marketing? Yes and no. The only difference between affiliate and digital marketing is that in affiliate marketing, you are selling somebody else's course for a commission. And in digital marketing, you're selling your own course for 100% profit. This course does not teach you how to find high-ticket affiliate offers to sell or promote. But once you know what you'd like to sell or have an idea of what business you'd like to start yourself, this course will take you the rest of the way. Will the course teach you how to sell the course? Yes, it will. In the first modules teaching you how to set up System.io or StanStore, they use the roadmap as an example. So following those modules closely will serve you well in reselling it. Can I get a refund of this course? No. There is a strict no refund policy for this course because it can be consumed quickly and or downloaded almost immediately. Now, if you have any questions that I did not answer, please either comment them below or DM me on TikTok or Instagram, and I will answer you immediately if I can. So if you are ready to take the leap and change your life, use the link below to purchase the roadmap, and I'll see you inside.